Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you live. No, I'm not live. I'm actually recording this, but check it out. We're talking about something really cool. And this is February 18th, Saturday. Tax return season's kicking off. So listen, I'm going to give you all a way to make money too for doing nothing but just playing around on social media. So it's the Big Jeff Audio Affiliate Program. And I'm going to break it down today because we got tons of people signing up, but they're not using it right, so they're not going to make any money. And the way to make money is to sign up and to get yourself a link and share that link. When they click it, it takes them to the Big Jeff Audio website. Wouldn't even know any different, but it starts to keep track. And any order over $100 starts to go in your kitty. And you start off at 5% commission, and then on some items even higher, like Rockford and Kicker and other stuff, you can get as high as 15% commission. That's a lot of money for not doing anything at all, but just posting some stuff up. And what normally happens is people sign up, they do one post, and then they just forget about it. But the reality is, treat it like an easy job. Let me take this off so you guys take me serious right now. It is as simple as posting up your link so people that we don't know, maybe in your groups, family members, whatever, learn about us and shop with us, and you're going to get paid. We've even made it where we've given you, and we're going to keep giving you, the actual digital art to post. So all you got to do is copy and paste. I mean, it's that simple. So what we're going to do today is take you through it. So the first thing you got to do is go to bigjeffaudio.com, and I'm sure Ben's got it up here somewhere. Okay, and then there's a huge thing at the top. There's the categories. And if you see me looking that way, it's because I got kind of like the news guy, how they always do it from the side because they can see their screen. Well, that's kind of what I'm doing. So, all the way at the top, and that's actually over here, you'll see one that says Affiliate Program. You're going to click that. Now, you can do this on the phone, do whatever. Once you click that, you go to a page and it says, look, Affiliate Program, Big Jeff Audio. And then below it tells you how to join. And I'm telling you how it works. Okay, so you go down a little bit further and you start to see all the digital art, our logos, my funny face, and then some advertisements, which we will supply those as we make it. So really, you just need to download the picture or copy it, and then you're going to use your link. You know, what link? Well, I'm about to show you that. So anyway, let's go now to the sign up. It says join now. And then first thing you notice is if you're not already a Big Jeff customer, guess what? You got to be one, but you got to be one anyway, because if you want me to pay you each month, I got to have your info, okay? So you're going to register, or if you're a customer, you would have logged in. And John Doe, nothing against Jane Doe. And we're just going to come up with an email. Okay, actually I look weird because you guys see me looking this way and I should really be looking that way, but it's the opposite. I don't know, it's confusing. Let me put this hat back on. Okay, it's not as bad now. Social name. So gotta have an idea where you're gonna be doing this at. Now you can put these links up anywhere. You might do it on websites, you might do it in your social media pages, you might be a part of like forums or Reddit. It doesn't matter because you're basically putting your link for people to click. So you just don't want to put the link, you want to put something in there like, hey, check out my guys, or hey, if you need car audio, shop here, or use the art we're giving you. All right. Now, once you do that, you're going to get an email. You will need to activate it by clicking email, and then you're going to have a username and a login. So when you come back this time, you're going to log in. Oh, this is activate account? Okay, we're activating the account. You got to have a password. Ben is making up some crazy password. Bam. Now you're in the dashboard. Check it out. What's up? So you got to have an order at least $100 or more for it to track. And then if you see there, it tells you 5% over $100. And as you start to build up more, we will put you in a higher percentage, because if you're making money and I'm making money, then you're making money, which means I'm making money, and we're all making money. So it's going to be cool, and I don't mind to give a bunch of money away if I'm making money. All right, so now we go back to the website. All right, so we got, you can track your earnings. So there's no way it's no fun. Where'd you go, Ben? You switched. Oh, there you are. So you can track your earnings, right? There's no funny business. You get your reports, and then you scroll down a little bit more, you get a link. Well, here's the cool thing. You start doing something, and then you call CSR here at the new phone number, 737-BIG-JEFF. What's up? That's what I'm talking about. Having your name on the number, dude. I don't know. I'm crazy, but I'm stoked about it. It's actually 737-244-5333 or 737-BIG-JEFF. But that's cool. But we'll get back to that at a later date. And then we will make you a custom link. So what that means is you'll have the bigjeffaudio.com / and whatever you want me to put there. I could put Fancy Dancy Singer or Purplelicious. Whatever you want to be your link, make it even easier. And then anybody that clicks on that will go to the homepage. They just like normal, but it's tracking your sales. Made it simple. Now, how do you make money with that? Well, it's like anything else. You got to do a little bit of work, but I made it pretty easy. We made it easy to sign up. We've made it so all you got to do is log in to see what you've been selling. And then two, we made it that pretty much foolproof. So all you got to do is actually take that link and put it out somewhere. Man, everybody's a part of groups, and man, even use it if you're a gamer and you want to send it out. Say, hey man, you need cardio? All right, cool, dude. Go to bigjeffaudio.com / Purplelicious, and then bam, done. So it's pretty simple. You got to do a little work. So I hope this video makes it, because we're getting a ton of people signing up, and then when I go check the links, people like put up one time and I just don't do it again. You got to get it up there, and you got to make it make sense. So when we run a sale or we have a sale flyer, steal it, use it. You're all good. And then we're going to be putting them on the website as your source so you can download them and use it. So that is like having an Uber job without having to drive. Cool, right? Okay. So try it out. It's an affiliate program. Anybody that calls in to get sponsored and all that other stuff, there's your first way to start saving some money or get some money back, because every month, guess what? Bing! If you hooked up a PayPal bank account, I'm going to send you your money. Really, really cool. Start putting your link everywhere. It doesn't matter. Just start putting the link out there. Okay, so that is the Big Jeff Audio affiliate program. I can only set it up. I can only give you the resources. It's up to you to make it work. So if you have any questions, check this out. 737-BIG-JEFF. Hit up my customer service team. They'll walk you through. If not, you can chat in. But here's the cool thing. 737-BIG-JEFF, you can call, you can text, and you can WhatsApp. Man, I love this thing, man. It's just crazy, man. Okay, so I'm going to head out right now because I got to do another video and another video, and then I got to do some other stuff. I'm going to take off my crazy hat, put it right there, and what's up? Let's do this. Big Jeff affiliate program. I want to see you there.